Hello guys, welcome to Born2Trading. Today I'm gonna show you how to install our copy trade system. So you open your MetaTrader 4, navigate to File, Open Data Folder, MQL 4 and Experts. Then open the location where you download the Expert Advisor, which we send you via email, or you can download from our website. Simple copy, paste, you can close it. Now you can simply restart the MetaTrader by close and open, or right click on Expert Advisor, refresh, and you can see copier is here. Next step is go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisor tab. So you may open like that, go to Expert Advisor and allow automatic trading and allow web request. Then add the server path. All this information will be in the instruction which we send you, but I want to show you in video. It's much easier. So press enter. Okay, now you see automatic trading is on. So what you have to do now, attach the copier to the chart. You can attach to any chart, but make sure the chart will remain open. If you close the chart, you will have to attach again, and meantime the copier will not working. So double click on it, make sure you go to inputs, and we're gonna send you the PIN number. Before, you have to send us the account number. All this information will be in the welcome email after purchase. So when you send us the account number, we're gonna sync with the PIN on the master copier side on the server. So I have the PIN already. And after enter the PIN, you see the blocks is moving. That means and it says connected. That means the copier is working, is live. What is the next step? Make sure when you do any modification to the copier, you pause it. Okay, so it's not live, it's not connected then. So you pause, and you have to check the symbols and specify the lot size. You can do it in our copier. I think it's only one copier on the market where you can do it. You can specify the lot size to each symbol. Yeah, and also you can enable disable. So if you're not happy to trade, for example, USD CAD or any index, then simple disable it. But please make sure you pause, you press the pause here, so the blocks are not moving. Okay, so let's say you want to enable, simple tick the box. And what is next? You have to specify it. As default, every symbol will be, as default, will be 0.01 lot. So let's be, for example, change this one to this one here. USD. That's done. And next step is also, you will notice there will be some empty fields. So that's mean the symbols from master are different than from your MetaTrader. So a good example is this is German DAX. German ferry is the DAX index, Germany index. So this is different. If you want to sync, you want to use it, you want to copy, you have to check on your market watch. You have to check the symbol of, it's here, the indexes are here, it's Ger ferry, so it's different. It's case sensitive, so you have to type exactly, if it's capital letters, type capital letters. Otherwise, that will remain red, does mean it's not sync. But if you type correctly, press enter, see that's changed to black. Make sure you specify size which you want. This is just example, guys, so don't specify exactly same as I'm doing right now. And everything is done. You can keep that as a default, and please click resume. You can see the blocks are moving, as means it's live. I will try open some trade on the master side. Let's say every USD. Oh, you see, I open AUSD on the master. It's open immediately on the slave. On the master, we're using some smart expert advisor which manage the trade, which moving stop loss, which close the profits partially. So you can do it whatever you want. You got full control of this copier. You can close anytime you want. You can specify your own stop loss. But as we said, as we do on our master side, you don't have to worry. It's basically set and forget option. And also, what we highly recommend is use the virtual private server. It's called VPS. Basically, it's better to install the copier there, because if you go power cut or you go internet doesn't work, or your laptop died, for example, then you may miss some trades. So if you hire VPS, it's not that expensive. It starts from like $3 a month. Then always you will be online all the time. And I can show you also if there is some problems. If you, for example, let me sabotage. Let me show you. If you, for example, type wrong pin, that's some common issues. You see the blocks stop moving, and you see invalid pin code. So what you have to do? Right click, expert advisors, properties, or simple press F7. And make sure you type correct pin. See, that's working. Other issue what you may have, if you type incorrectly, let's for example type incorrectly the server name, or you forgot to type the server name, or you forgot to enable one of these options, you will get information clearly here. So make sure you check that. We make typo here. You see? Also, if you lose connection because you may lose the internet connection, you will see option like that. 1 second, let me try to disconnect. No, sender offline or weak signal. It could be two problems. Could be problem on our side or problem with your internet. First, please check if you got internet access on the laptop or server or whatever. Just simple open website. If working, then let us know immediately. Contact via email or messenger. That's pretty much that's it. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.